Hey everyone, so this is part 3 of how to do a Rubik's Cube in CFOP method. So like I said, after you finish the cross, the F12, and third one is to do an OLL, which is an orientation last layer that you have to bring all of the last pieces of yellow or white or green whenever top you do, but in this case it's all yellow. You have to bring on the top, and I will show you right now. You see all the white, all the yellow is on the top. That's in OLL. So in this step has 57 cases. I will not showing you guys all of that, but I will show you the way that easiest and beginner method, the beginner way to for all of you to approach this OLL easier. The 57 cases, I will post another video about that soon, so stay tuned for that. So the first two cases has very similar, see, but the difference is this way is clockwise. You see, it's the same, but in the clockwise. But this one is counterclockwise. So let's start in with this case first, which we call this one Sun, like S-U-N-E. So what you're gonna do with this case is holding this angle and do R, U, R prime, U. R, U2, R prime. Let me do it again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So this is also Sun, but it's counterclockwise, so I call anti-Sun. So this case, you can hold like this angle to do the same algorithm with this, but I hold a right hand person, so I'm holding this angle, you see, and I do like this: R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. Do one more time: R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. So next cases has something like this, where it has two corners need to orientation, and these two, it's different. So let's start with this one. So when you guys have this one, what you're gonna do, you're holding this angle, and you do like this: R, U, R prime, U prime, L, U, R, and U, like this. Then you finish. I will do one more time. This. Okay. With this one is slightly different when you do like this. I will show the algorithm on the top here. So this is the last case of the easiest case I'm talking about. So it has two corners that need to orientate it, which is in diagonal way, and point this angle. It also can point this angle, but whatever is the same. So you, on this case, you hold like this, and then you do like this. Okay, so this is the last two cases that I think is the easiest one. It looks the same when it has the plus sign, but the only difference you can tell is this one is pointing this way and this way, whereas this one is pointing this way and this way. Okay, so let's start with this one first. Pretty easy one. So you're holding this angle, not this, because this one has to, you can hold this or this, whatever face, but has to be like this. So you do like this: F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. It's just basically 3 times. Move to this one, you holding this angle, which these two pointing on the left, and you holding like this. So all of the case that I show you guys is just easiest way that you can do. Oh well, one thing that you gotta keep in mind that those are all the edge. The edge is already orientated, which is on the top. See, it's 4 of them is on the top. You guys need to orientate the corner, but life is not easy like that. So since we have 57 cases, there's also some cases that has not the edge has not been orientated at all. So this is the most common case like this. The OLL should be look like this, and I will show you guys how to transform this form to one of the case I show you guys. So let's start with this. I put this one here. Let's start with this. When you have these two horizontally, and you need to orientate the edge like this first, these two. So what you're gonna do like this, and then these 4 will gonna go up, and then you just need to orientate it, these two, which I showed you guys before. Next one is, let's start with this one. Next one is this. Is instead of the line, you do like this, and this one you hold this angle, and you hold like double F, and then the same R U R prime U prime, and back. You've gone to finish all of those 4 edge. Then last one, which has no edge at all. So this case is combine of these two, which is like this: single F R U R prime U prime, and then F prime, and then it's like this. You can know that F small f R U R prime U prime, F small f prime, and then you will have these. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful, and stay tuned for the last part of how to solve Rubik's Cube in CFOP, which the POL part. I will post that soon, and hope you can enjoy it. Bye.